What's up, guys? It's Masood here from London, and I'm going to present to you a market analysis for Forex market analysis for next week, the week that is going to start on 14th of August 2023. My market analysis videos are, very accurate, 80 to 85% accuracy, guys, and that is huge. That's amazing. So take benefit from these videos. These are very simple to understand. I bring to you nice and clean pairs that I predict their movement for the next week, and you can take benefit from that. And also I do live streams on my YouTube channel, London Sessions, which have the result of nearly 85 to 90% winning result. I do live trading there. You can trade live with me in London Sessions live stream as well, free of cost. Um, Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notifications, and also my telegram group link for updates is in description. You can join that as well, everything for free. My first pair today is gold. Gold is at a very strong support level at the moment. If it breaks this level, if it breaks it level with the momentum, then the only thing you need to do is wait for a pullback and wait for further confirmations, sellers pressure. And my prediction is that if it breaks this support level, it has all the potential to go down sorry, to go down towards these lows, guys, on the left, but only if it breaks this support level with a momentum. My next pair is NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. Um, it has broken down this daily strong support level, and my prediction is that if it gives us a little pullback, a little retest, and gives us further momentum, sellers pressure, momentum candle towards the downside, my prediction is that it can go further down. My next pair is NZDCHF. NZDCHF is also on the daily time frame. It's in a downtrend since long time, and only trade this pair, guys. Only trade this pair. I would trade this pair only if it has broken down this support level with the two momentum candles. I will only trade this pair if it gives me a little pullback, a little retest, and further sellers pressure. I will wait for further sellers pressure, with a momentum sell candle, and my then after that, my prediction would be that it will keep on going further down. Next pair is Euro NZD. Euro NZD is heavily into uptrend. Broken this strong daily trend resistance level. I would only trade this pair from this position if it gives me a little pullback retest, and then further bullish pressure. I will wait for further bullish momentum in the market, and then my prediction is that it will keep on going up. Next pair is Euro JPY. Euro JPY has broken this strong daily resistance level, and it looks like that after the pullback, little pullback, it might keep on going upwards. I will wait for this pullback to finish, and then wait for the momentum, bullish momentum, if it comes in the market. If it comes in the market, then my prediction is that it will keep on going upwards. These are the five pairs, guys, that are at this point of time. Today is 13th of August 2023, Sunday. At this point, this is their situation. In my opinion, they are quite clean pairs at the moment to trade for next week. Keep an eye on them, and if they go the other way, if they break back, to the other side of the levels that I have put in there on the charts, then the trades will get invalid. My analysis will bias will get invalid, and after that you have to you can wait. Sometimes the market breaks, give you a fake out, breaks up or down towards the other side, and then break back up or down, and keep on going towards the direction that normally I predict. I only bring to you the nice and clean pairs analysis, guys, for the week. Trade less and trade clean. This is my advice to you. Over trading, a lot of trading, a lot of trades a day, a week is not the way to success. Trade less, but trade only the clean pairs that present to you the cleanest opportunities. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves, and join me in my live trading London sessions from next week, Monday to Friday.